5 ways to get your property back fast. In the meantime, take a peek and see what goes on in my office every day. One effective way to get your tenants to leave faster would be to waive the last month's rent. This might be enough incentive to motivate them to leave early. Additionally, you could agree to a mutual release of the terms of your lease. By both of you signing an agreement to end things early, it might make the tenant feel safer and prompt them to leave. By offering cash for keys, you might motivate, with a cash incentive available after the tenant leaves, your tenant to leave earlier than they normally plan. Make sure you give it after and not any time before they've actually packed up. If you have a month-to-month tenancy, you can raise the rent as an effective means of motivating your tenant to move on instead of paying that higher rent. If it comes to it, you may have to deliver a notice to vacate. This notice to vacate may be a final straw that gets your tenant to leave early and get your property back in your hands. Follow us on Instagram to learn even more about landlording.